Some other things you can do to get your home ready to sell. Put in an indoor, in-ground pool.
A pool? What? I own a townhouse with 1,200 square feet.
Sweetie, put it in the basement. You can use the steps as a diving board.
The basement? A diving board? What are you talking? Where's Joe Real Estate Pro? Joe Real Estate Pro.
Hey, what's going on?
You won't believe what this agent is telling me to get my home ready for sale.
Look, don't worry. I will give you a lot of ideas that will bring you a lot of value and won't break your budget.
Pudding, I've got it. How about an underground man cave or she shed? Now, I know you don't have a backyard, but how about you dig a tunnel and put it under your neighbor's house? They'll never know.
Hey everyone, Joe Real Estate Pro here. Today I'm going to give you 6 cheap and inexpensive ideas that you can do to your home before you list it. The number one thing that you can do before you list your home is paint. A light neutral color will really freshen up the place. Plus, it'll make it seem bigger and brighter. Oh, and don't forget to do the trim work too, because freshly painted trim really makes a room pop. Now before you paint, make sure you go around and fix any of the little holes and dents in the walls. I mean, this is such a simple thing to do, but most people don't do it. For a couple of dollars, you can get a little container of spackle and go around and patch any of these little issues. I mean, it's really simple. Anybody can do it. Everybody knows that dark rooms feel dreary and small, and buyers don't want to feel that way when they enter a home. The good news is improving the lighting in your home doesn't have to cost you a fortune. Adding light to those dark rooms will make them seem much bigger and more inviting. The first thing buyers see is the outside of your home. If they have a bad first impression, well then you lost them. Landscaping is critical when it comes to selling your home. Now you don't have to go crazy and spend a lot of money. All you have to do is just make sure the lawn is mowed, put down some fresh mulch, and add a few flowers. Okay, it's time to declutter. Get rid of all that extra furniture and knickknacks and other things laying around the house. You see, buyers can't see past all of that clutter to see how big your home is. Besides, you're going to have to get rid of all that stuff anyway. And finally, clean your home! This is so important. One of the biggest turnoffs for buyers is a dirty, smelly home. Besides, clean homes are more inviting. Plus, they give the appearance that the home is well maintained. Well, that's it for today. Please let me know if you have any questions and let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Don't forget, click the thumbs up button to like this video, and click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell button to be notified of brand new videos. Have a great day, everyone.